Hello, welcome back to Mind Over Matter. It's summertime, and all that everybody wants to know during these days is how to beat the heat. So, I have decided to make a series of videos on summers wherein I'll be sharing videos on what food should be consumed, how to cool your body, what activities should be done in summers, and other related topics. So, watch out this space for more such videos. Today, we are going to look on how to cool your body quickly in summer. Try to eat plenty of food with high water content. Consume hydrating foods such as celery, cauliflower, watermelon, strawberries, cucumber, etc. You can eat them even in raw salads or by making a healthy smoothie out of it. Play it cool with a hat and sunglasses if you are going in direct sunlight. You can also carry an umbrella with you. Wear loose and light colors in natural fabrics such as cotton, linen, or silk. Place your feet in a cold foot bath as it cools your body and allows you to sit back and relax. Simply add cold water and ice cubes to a bucket of water. You can add few drops of peppermint essential oil for extra cooling effect. Shitli breathing technique has a cooling effect on your body and your mind. It helps you to relax and calm down both physically and mentally. To do Shitli breathing, sit down in a comfortable position. Roll the outer edges of your tongue together similar to a hot dog bun. Slowly inhale through your mouth and then exhale out through your nose. Continue breathing like this until your body is cool. Caffeine and alcohol also creates a lot of heat in the body and should be avoided, especially in summers. Cutting down on caffeine and alcohol as a whole is also good for your overall health. Caffeine is not just in coffee, but it's also in chocolates, tea, sodas, sport drinks, and other non-prescription drugs. Always read the packaging to know for sure. These remedies should help to cool you down if you are feeling the heat. If your body temperature seems to be high for an undetermined reason or you are not cooling down after trying some of these remedies, please see a doctor. So that's all for today. I hope you guys find this series of videos useful throughout the summers. See you guys on the next video. Until then, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for such videos. Thank you. Stay positive, stay connected.